In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the native Asana for Mac desktop app. If you use Asana regularly and want quicker access to your workspace, installing the desktop app on your Mac can make things feel a lot smoother and more focused than working only in a browser. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get the app set up and also how to make sure it opens automatically when you log in, so it's ready whenever you start your computer. To begin, download and install the native Asana app for Mac. If the installer opens automatically, follow the on-screen prompts until the installation is complete. This usually only takes a moment. Once it's installed, you should be able to find Asana in your Applications folder and open it just like any other Mac app. If you want, you can also drag it to your dock for even faster access in the future. After the app is installed, the next step is to make sure it launches automatically when you sign in to your Mac. This is especially helpful if Asana is part of your daily workflow, and you don't want to open it manually every time. Go ahead and open macOS system settings. If your Mac is using an older version of macOS, this may appear as system preferences instead. The overall idea is the same, so don't worry if the name looks a little different on your screen. Inside system settings, go to General and then select Login Items. This section controls which apps open automatically when your Mac starts up or when you log into your account. Under the Open at Login area, click the plus icon. This will let you add an application to the list. When the file picker appears, locate the Asana application, select it, and confirm your choice. Once you do that, Asana will be added to your login items. At this point, the setup is complete. The Asana desktop app is installed on your Mac, and it's now configured to open automatically at login. That means the next time you start your computer, Asana should launch on its own, helping you jump into your tasks and projects without any extra steps. If you ever want to change this later, you can always return to the same login items section and remove Asana from the list. But for most users, enabling it at startup is a simple way to stay organized and save time every day.